Guitarras was started by the Monroy family in the 1920s, and they now produce 240 guitars every day. They use wood, like pine, oak, and even avocado wood from Mexico. To make strong plywood for the guitars, they first peel thin layers of wood from logs. These layers are dried by heating them to 150 degrees Celsius in an oven to prevent bending later. Layers are then glued together, with plain pine used for the inner layers, a method that has been around for over 150 years. Next, a machine with giant sheets of sandpaper smooths the plywood. Once smooth, the wood is cut into the familiar shape of a guitar. Every guitar also needs a neck, which is carefully shaped and smoothed. Three large drills create holes for the tuning pegs, and the headstock is carved to hold the pegs. The fingerboard is fitted with 19 frets made from stainless steel wire. This is done using special machines, and there are only 3 such machines in all of Mexico. A hydraulic press heats and bends the plywood into the curved shape of the guitar body. After bending, the parts are glued and clamped for 45 minutes. A team of 5 people sands the edges until smooth, preparing the guitar for the final stages. A sprayer quickly applies a finish in half a minute. Afterward, the team polishes and inspects each guitar. Finally, they add 6 nylon strings and tuning pegs to make sure the guitar stays in tune. After testing, the guitar is ready to be shipped. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Factory YouTube channel.